When it comes to power, outshining your boss is perhaps the worst mistake of all. When you show yourself in the world and display your talents, you naturally stir up all kinds of resentment, envy, and other manifestations of insecurity. Here are some reasons why you should be cautious about outshining your boss. 1. Jealousy and threats to ego. If you consistently outperform your boss in a way that is highly visible, it can potentially trigger feelings of jealousy, insecurity, or inadequacy in your boss. This may lead to strained working relationships or even retaliation. 2. Perception of disrespect. If your accomplishments overshadow your boss's contributions, it may be perceived as disrespectful or insubordinate behavior. In some corporate cultures, this could lead to disciplinary action. 3. Career advancement. While excelling in your role is essential for career growth, openly outshining your boss may not always be the most effective path to advancement. Building a positive working relationship with your superiors and colleagues can be equally important for career progression. 4. Potential backlash. Some bosses may feel threatened by employees who consistently outshine them and may actively work against your career advancement or opportunities for growth within the organization. The principle of never outshine the master advises that you should always ensure those in positions of authority or superiority feel at ease in their roles. While striving to gain their approval or admiration, it's important not to overdo it when showcasing your abilities. Pushing too hard might inadvertently achieve the opposite effect by instilling fear and insecurity. Instead, work to elevate your superiors, making them appear more accomplished than they are, and in doing so, you can reach higher levels of influence and success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe.